Hey everybody, prizes are going out. This is from the last bingo game. And I am sorry, but as you know, I have health issues, so they are going tomorrow along with the winner of the Valentine's Day giveaway. So the ones that I have packages for are Robin's Nest of Crafts, Lindy Byers, Lindy K Designs, Taylor Hoover, Susan Cordes, Doris Bright, and I can't remember now what your screen name was. Crystal Dragon. Trying not to show addresses. Gina Ortiz. I don't know what the screen name was. Riri. Carrie Hagan. Teresa Brady. Brian Dickey. Susie Brattu. And I think this was Willow. Yeah, Willow. So that is all of the bingo prizes, the end of it. I don't have any more to mail. Everybody else's were mailed before I got sick. So if you didn't get it, let me know and I'll see if I still have tracking on it, but I don't think I do because I had to create a new pirate ship account too. Because I lost my email, so, you know, stuff happens and it seems to be overload happening on me. Whoever has that voodoo doll, quit. So don't forget, I have a priority box giveaway here going on. You have to comment on 4 recent videos, and it has to be a real comment, not just I'm here to get the prize. So yeah, you have to put a comment on 4 recent videos to win that, and I will pick that in the morning, and the winner will be notified and probably do a video telling who won it, and then it will go in the mail with these because the post office is closed today. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. And stay tuned, I will be doing more giveaways, and I'm going to be sending out some happy mails. Bye.